Okay, for this video I'll show you how to reorder the home page. How to reorder this app's the position. For example, you want change the position of this app. How to use? Okay, use the standard remote tool. Of course, you can use the smartphone to remote control it. Long press OK. Firstly select the target app you want to remove the position. Then on the lowmost remote, long press OK. Long press OK. Then you will see this interface. Just press to move. Just press this one to remove the arrow, the 4 arrow to move. Okay. Then press OK. When you have got the right position, then just press OK. And now you want this one, press OK. Then press arrow, the direction arrow, then press OK. And what's more, you can uninstall the apps very quickly. For example, you want to uninstall the Quadcore, long press OK. Yes, then press this one to move down, to pull it down, to pull the icon down to the, then just to the uninstall, then just press OK. Okay. Yeah, that's all. And yes, master press done. That's all.